Hi, good day to everyone. My name is Jim, founder of JT Technologies in Berhad. We are the LED display design manufacturer house. In front of us, this is a 2-row 5-digit LED display panels. Where you can see now, the front part will be the minus dash dash and followed by the 00, and this is the Modbus display. So the height of the display is 210mm and the width of the display is 370mm and the character size is 70mm. Let's start our demonstration today. So on our right, this is the hyperterminal software. Basically, we need to select the COM port and the bound rate will be 9600 followed by 8N1, 8-bit non-priority 1. Then you just press connect. Once you connect, this is the preset program. Of course, the CRC need to be calculated. So if let's say I want to show top one will be 1000 and the bottom one want to show 2000, this is the earliest we have prepared the string file. Okay, send, start. So it show 1000 top and 2000 bottom. If let's say I want to show the top one and the bottom two, copy the string file. Of course, all this will be in a hex file. Okay, paste and send. This is how it looks like. If you like my video, help us to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.